Yo, you caught that on video. You caught that on video. Holy shit. That's good.
my name. Check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout, and fame, but disease of play. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy. Think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me. I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching, never quite so thirsty. I'm toxic and psychotic, but there's logic. You can't stop it, it's been chronic. Same time as a voice on the erotic and chaotic. Not the change, but trust with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you play right fast, then this life's gonna eat me. Say shit fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the gas, you can see all the heroes. The pain's in the dash, move on from the green. Put your foot on the gas, don't never stop competing. I believe I'm on it, I just wanna be iconic. Sipping on the game, please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, not the good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. Never running out, never hit a shout, I'll be sitting out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down, I'll be getting loud, never doubt, not what I'm about, have your fucking cloud, it be raining now, I can make it sound, go another round, bitch I'm legend bound, can't stop me now.
That's so bad. That's my game practice too.
With so much power.
Did you actually hit here?
No, I just in the air. I was getting ready for a smash, and it just broke.
He swung up and so like the flex, right? And then as he swings up, it just snaps and then goes straight up. Yeah. I watched it every time. I thought it was like he threw the racket on this thing, and I was like, wait, that looks like half a racket. You got that on video too.
Yeah, I got on video too.
Yeah, share it to the group chat.
I will
That's
show
a
it.
great clip. I want to see.
Because I was like Cole and Hardy was looking at it, looking up. I was like, where'd my racket go? I
Who
was
were you
like,
playing with at the time?
I was playing with Andrew.
Oh, Andrew. Surprise.